Kareena Kapoor Khan has been in the industry for over 2 decades now, and over the years we have seen her in multiple avatars, shapes and sizes. From a feisty young 20-year-old to a matured seasoned actor and of course a wife and mom.
From Pooh to Rosie, from Geet to Chameli, Kareena has played so many different kinds of characters in her long career. While she has always been a commercial filmmaker's delight, she has proven that if a role demands it, she can totally transform herself into any offbeat character as well. While there was a time back in the day when marriage and family usually shortened a female actor's career, Kareena has juggled her professional and personal commitments perfectly, and with the support of her literal Prince Charming, Kareena is only going from strength to strength. Take a look.
Kareena has really evolved as an artist and as an individual. After spending several months in lockdown as per the rules, Kareena has been busy fulfilling work commitments as soon as the government allowed shoots to begin. While she has always been someone who treated working while being pregnant or being a mom as a fairly normal thing, to work while being pregnant through a pandemic, that's something special. When asked about whether she made a conscious choice to work and set an example, Kareena said कि उनका मिसाल बनाने का कोई इरादा नहीं है. She shared that her personality is such कि वो सिर्फ घर पे बैठकर आराम नहीं कर सकती. She loves her job and working keeps her happy. Bebo also asked a valid question कि ऐसा कहाँ लिखा है कि एक प्रेग्नेंट औरत या एक माँ काम नहीं कर सकती. इनफैक्ट जितना फिट और खुश माँ रहेगी, फैमिली और बेबी भी उतना खुश रहेगा. Bebo says that she has always been proud about being a working mother, and whether it's traveling with Taimur or balancing work schedules to his schedules, she has taken the challenges in her stride. But while she has perfected the art of time management and multitasking, she gives Saif full credit for being a supportive husband and wonderful father. Bebo का कहना है that since Saif comes from a family where his mother, sisters, daughter and wife are all strong, independent women, he has a deeper understanding of what women want. He is supportive of her career and gives her the space to be herself and pursue her dreams, and Bebo gives Saif's mom, Sharmila ji, full marks for raising a wonderful son. Bebo also shared her thoughts on the recent discussion about women getting leave on certain days of the month when they experience discomfort or are in a lot of pain. Kareena ने अपना ओपिनियन देते हुए कहा कि हर औरत के लिए ये मंथली occurrence और उससे related discomfort अलग होता है. So while it may be a personal choice of whether or not to take leave, employers should be sensitive to the fact that women may need additional rest on certain days of the month. We love your spirit and frankness, Bebo. It's amazing to see you power through challenges, and I'm sure it's going to set a great example for your son and baby number 2 about just how strong and capable women are.